Hello, Restyle family. So I'm here for another makeover. Today we're going into my sister's house and we are going to transform her formal dining space into a playroom for her boys. All right guys, we just made it to my sister's house, walking in now. So this right here is going to be the space we are working on today. So she has already moved a few things around. She had something here. She's moved that. And we're gonna go ahead and move this stuff because this is where the table's gonna go. Move this couch maybe into her living room here. So this is her living room area. She had a little, this is a sectional, so she had a piece here, but she actually moved it here because this is not gonna be her office slash guest room. So this is what she was working on today and it looks amazing. I'm loving how this part is starting to form. Of course this is temporary, but we are going to just still move stuff around to see what looks best in the space. But yeah. So this is what we're starting off with now. All right guys, so I have my family in here helping us move everything around. My dad's over here pulling the sofa. My mom is directing and my sister's trying to get everything moved around. And there's my nephew right here. Are you excited for the new space? Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to first start off by moving this sofa into my sister's office. And then I am going to remove everything off the walls, all her wall decor, but we will be keeping that mirror there. Then clearing out everything off the floors and moving the furniture out of this space so that I can get ready to start vacuuming. Alright guys, so we cleared out the space, got everything off the wall. We are keeping the mirror in here. Now I'm getting ready to paint this wall. I'm not doing the whole wall. I'm just gonna actually build like a house shape. And this is gonna be a chalkboard wall for my nephews. So I'm about to tape that off and get ready. Before I start to paint, I make sure to measure out the distance on the wall and tape the outline of the house shape that we will be creating. I'm also using this straight edge because my sister has textured walls and I don't want any of the paint to go underneath the tape. So then I start painting and removing all the outlet covers. While the paint is drying, we will start to assemble all of the items that we got. Using a stud finder and measuring tape, we will find the distance of where the stud is to now go ahead and screw the anchors for the floating shelf. Once we secure the shelf, it is now time to start styling the space. We got this rug from IKEA as well as these two chairs. Again, the floating shelf came from Lowe's and we got these two cute cubby storages from Target. Are you loving your wall? Yes? Chalk.
A wall.
You like the wall?
All right, thumbs up. Yay! So we like the room. All right. You excited? You like your playroom?
Say cheese.
Cheese.